Hello tubers, this is Mr. 71711, your host Farooq Shah here. This is a quick video I'm going to make today of compressor, air compressor, basically used in refrigerators. This is the Godrej compressor, 16 HP of capacity. This is suction pipes here. They are both are suctions. This is discharge line here, which pumps out to this pipe. This pipe here, this comes out here. This is oil cooling line. Inside here we have dirty oil here, just not to rust. I have kept it here. These are the two lines here. This is the oil cooling line, and this is the winding of it. It's all okay, just 3 pins here and 3 pins here connected here, and there's a relay for it, which I'll show you in a while, which I'll show you later. And this is the pump set. This is actually rusted a bit. I repaired it but wanted to weld it. I don't have time so much for this. This is a rotor which stuck here in the center, and here the video. The white you can see here is suction, and just a second, sorry for that. And this is the connecting rod. This is the piston here, you can see it clearly, and the black color, 2 lines of black color over here for this part. Zooming in, yes, this part is the wall plate. Center is the wall plate, and this is the aluminum block connecting, and these 2 are the cylinders here, and air sucks and pumps it, compresses it and pumps it out from here, and that's how it works. This is used in air compressors, and you can use it various sites, and here I have repaired one. This is already done. This is the relay. For various compressors we have various types of relays. This is basically a relay of refrigerator compressor. Takes electric current from 2 points and converts it into 3 points, and it goes that 3 pins inside, and L1 is a positive, L2 is a negative. You can reverse it anyhow, you can put it out, and it just works very quite good. That's all for now. In future videos, like, subscribe, rate, a comment, and if you need any help, just contact me on YouTube. Okay, thank you.